Welcome Jira users. Take control of constant sprint rollovers by setting a clear maximum for rolling issues from sprint to sprint in Jira. In this tutorial, we'll show you how. First, in the data source, disable the date range and select only the project you're interested in. Next, under the Measure section, choose the number of issues in sprint metric. For display by, select the sprint field. This field selection will activate a sprint board selection option. Once you add your sprint board matching your project, navigate back to the number of issues in sprint metric and specify that you want to count only rolling issues. Next, activate target feature and select the % change type. Switch to per x-axis item target results and add target value for the target metric. In our sample, we aim for a maximum of 25% of all issues in a sprint to be rolling. Specify that exceeding this maximum is considered bad. And this concludes the report. Using this KPI report, built with the Performance Objectives app, helps ensure better sprint management and improve team productivity. Thank you for watching.